Hi guys. Hi guys, we're gonna open these presents. These presents right here. There's a lot of presents. So let's get started. Let's get them out of all of them out of here. We have to wait for them to get out. Yeah. A lot of presents. Okay, now let's open it. Whoa! Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this photo, it's so cute. And these. Oh my god, look. And what else? Oh my god, so cute. Wow. Oh my god, shiny. Oh, okay. Wow. And this. So cute. And this. Wow. And that's. Wow. And 3 more to open. So we're gonna open it. Ooh. Ooh. I can't open it. Oh my god, the phone. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. So, bye.